Hey guys, I'm Rohit Khilnani. I have a new phone and this is going to be my main phone that I'll be using. So let's start with the unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max 1TB natural titanium. That's the white color. Let's see what's in the box. So let's do this. Oh my god, just the first look of it, the shine that you can see, the lights that you can see reflecting, दिल आ गया बॉस इस पे। तो सिंपल है, ये है फोन बहुत ही लाइट वेट है, स्क्रीन कवर्ड है, प्रोटेक्शन किया हुआ है। ये है USB-C केबल, नई केबल, थोड़ा सा पेपर वर्क, एंड गाइस this beauty is my new phone. So this is the gorgeous phone that was inside the box. In 24 hours, I'll be doing my initial thoughts video, what I thought after using it for 24 hours. After that, I will definitely go out and do a camera review because the camera is so good and there's such a good upgrade. And I'll shoot videos and photos and share it with you. So after I use it for about 1 week, I'll do a proper review of this. So we'll get an initial thoughts video coming soon. We'll get a camera review coming soon. And we will also have a full-on review after I use it for a week.